The Femme with a Pen original poem, The Crack in America's Back. America is hurting with Trump on its back. If we don't get him off, we will soon crack. Trump is such an evil political hack. A constant liar, the truth he does lack. Sneaky dog whistles when he's got the knack. Fires his staff if they dare to talk back. Judges and media he will attack. Racist influencers say evil things. We've heard them all. But Trump tries to turn them all into law. America is hurting with Trump on its back. If we can't get him off, America just might crack. Get Trump off our back.